In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Coinbase wallet address in 2025. Whether you're using the Coinbase wallet app on your mobile device or the browser extension on your computer, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you can locate your wallet address quickly and efficiently. To begin, you'll first need to open your Coinbase wallet. If you're using the app, simply locate it on your phone and tap to open. For those on a desktop, you can open the Coinbase Wallet browser extension. It's that nifty Coinbase icon, usually nestled somewhere alongside your other browser extensions. Once you have it open, you'll find yourself on the main screen, ready to embark on this quick and easy journey. Next, you want to direct your attention to the bottom middle of your screen, where you'll see a distinctive icon showing arrows pointing up and down, commonly known as the Send/Receive button. Go ahead and tap or click on that. This is where we start honing in on finding that elusive wallet address. Once you've clicked on the Send/Receive icon, you'll see an option that says Receive. Tap or click on this Receive option. This is the magic button that reveals your wallet address. It's a crucial step because this is where Coinbase sets the scene for your own personal gateway to receiving cryptocurrency. Now, you'll be prompted to choose the specific cryptocurrency or network you're dealing with from a list. For example, you might be working with Bitcoin, Ethereum, or another cryptocurrency supported by Coinbase. It's important to select the correct one, as addresses vary across different currencies and networks. Mistakenly sending currency to the wrong address type could result in a loss of your funds, so take a moment to ensure you're handling the right currency. Finally, once you've selected the appropriate cryptocurrency, the moment you've been waiting for arrives. Your wallet address appears. This is either as a string of letters and numbers, or, for those who prefer a more visual approach, a QR code. You can now copy this address to your clipboard, ensuring you have it ready for any future transactions. If you're using a mobile device, you might find it convenient to scan the QR code directly. This step is particularly handy when you're receiving funds from someone physically present with you who also uses their own device. So there you have it, a straightforward and uncomplicated process that lets you find your Coinbase wallet address with ease in just a few minutes. You've learned how to navigate from the app or browser extension to confidently secure your wallet address, whether you're accepting cryptocurrency from a friend or a business transaction. Having quick access to your wallet address is crucial. I hope this guide has been helpful and enhances your experience with Coinbase. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. Thank you for watching and happy crypto receive.